In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events calendar in Google Sites. If you want visitors to see your upcoming events right on your website, embedding your Google Calendar into Google Sites is a fast and reliable way to do it, and it doesn't require any coding. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open Google Sites and edit the page where you want the calendar to appear. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add content to the page. If your site has multiple pages, navigate to the exact page in the left sidebar and open it so you're placing the calendar in the right spot. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the panel with options. Click Insert to reveal the available content blocks and tools. This is where you can add images, text, and, in our case, embedded content. Choose Embed, then select the By URL option. Google Sites gives you two embedding methods, but By URL is the simplest for calendars. It lets you paste a direct link and creates the calendar embed automatically without needing any code. Now paste your Google Calendar public link into the field. This should be the shareable link for the calendar you want to display. A quick tip here, the link needs to be publicly accessible for the calendar to show up to your visitors. If the calendar isn't public, your site might display a permissions message or nothing at all. Double check that you're using the correct calendar and that sharing is set appropriately before pasting the link. Click Next and you should see a preview of how the calendar will look. If it appears as expected, click Insert to place it on your page. If the preview doesn't load, it's often because the link isn't public or the URL wasn't copied completely, so try pasting it again. Once the calendar is on the page, resize and position it to fit your layout. Grab the corners to adjust the height and width until it feels balanced with your other content. You can drag it to place it above or below text sections or center it for a clean, full width look. Aim for a size that keeps the calendar readable without overwhelming the page. Think comfortable viewing on both desktop and smaller screens. That's it. You've added your Google Calendar to your site using the embed URL, and you've positioned it so it looks great. This simple setup keeps your events up to date automatically so you can focus on planning while your audience always sees the latest schedule.